does Play-Doh remind you of? Does it remind you of childhood days or rainy days whenever your parents made you go inside and play with Play-Doh or anything else you play with inside? Or does it remind you of cookie cutters and bright colors? Or do you remember your parents saying, don't eat that Play-Doh? Because I heard that a lot whenever I was little. So the good thing about it, though, is that my grandmother taught me how to make peanut butter Play-Doh when I was little. And that is edible. And so today I want to teach you how to make that. And your ingredients that you're going to need are peanut butter Play-Doh, your powdered sugar, and you're going to need honey, which I've already got put inside our little measuring cup, and dry milk. So, first what we're going to do is we're going to need 1 3/4 cups of peanut butter. So I've already got some of it measured out, but I'm going to measure out the small one for you so you can see kind of how to do that. So you're going to get your spatula, and this cup's already filled with it. So you're just going to kind of cup it out and plop it in there. Make sure you get it all out. Okay? And then you're going to get your other cup and same thing. Just go in a circle kind of with it. Okay? And then this is our small measuring cup, and I'm going to show you how to level it out. You're just going to put it in there. Make sure you get it down in there. This you do want to make sure it's packed. Okay. And then you're going to do the same thing that you did with the other ones, but just okay. So now we're going to mix it with our powdered sugar, which we need 2 cups of. So I've got my powdered sugar right here. Make sure it's kind of loose. You don't want it to be packed. You just drop it down in there. Okay. And then you're going to mix it, and you want it to be creamy. So, I might need some more. Let's see. You just kind of mix it around because you want it to be creamy. I'm going to move in a little bit so you can kind of see what it looks like right now in my face. So, you want to make sure you're getting it all from the edges. Whenever it gets mixed up enough, it might not look quite creamy like the peanut butter did whenever you first put it in there, but it will look more, it'll kind of have more of a sticky consistency, I guess. So, okay. So this is kind of what it looks like right now. Now, we are ready to add our honey. So, you're going to get your honey, and you're going to pour it in there. And then, you're just going to pour it all in. Make sure you just kind of evenly disperse it throughout the bowl so it's easier to mix once you get it all in there. Okay, now that the honey's in there, we're going to mix it all up. And this will make it a little bit more sticky and have that creamier consistency that you're looking for. Make sure you get all that powdered sugar and stuff that was left from mixing that in from the sides. Make sure you just kind of gather that in with it. And it'll go back to the peanut butter. So, now that we've got that mixed in there, we're going to need 2 cups of our dry milk. So, here's our first cup. Okay, there's our second cup. And then you're going to mix this in. And this is the thing that might take just a little bit longer to get it in and all mixed together. But once you get it all mixed up, it's going to have the consistency of Play-Doh. And afterwards, you're going to take this mixture that you have, which will look a lot like this, and you're going to put it in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes until you're ready to play with it. And it's, I mean, it has the consistency of Play-Doh. It's real, the real deal. So now I've taught you how to make a snack that you can eat and play with, and I made a few examples to show you of just like what you can do with the Play-Doh. This is a bird's nest with some eggs and a little snake. So, wouldn't we have all loved to have had this as